What's up, guys? Getting here. There's a train coming right now. And I heard cop sirens nearby. They stopped down there. Don't know why. I was just about to leave, so I pulled up the coins. This one is about to pass. We'll see if it decides to crush my coin. I can't tell what this train is carrying. Oh! Empty intermodal car! First intermodal related thing I've seen this year. That's a tiny car. Had a GP50 and something else leading it. I didn't get the name of the first one. And this train is full of flammable liquids. So a flammable train is coming past me right now. Very flammable. I love the couplers on tank cars. They look like they're giving you a thumbs up. So it makes me smile. All right. Now we're gonna wait a minute to see if there's another train coming. In which I don't think there is. Ah, hey, it flattened it. Yes. Okay, I'm pretty much done here, guys. But real quick, I'll show you the damage. That's nickel burst train. There's a green light on the other track. I don't know, I might stay here for a little bit. Hey, found one of my dimes. And another nickel. As you guys may have seen, I know you're staring at my toes. Freaking annoying, I don't care. It's okay though. Whew. Anyway. That's the carnage from a nickel being run over by a GP locomotive. I think I'm gonna stay out here for just a little bit longer, see what goes on. As you guys may already know, I'm missing a quarter from that one train. It must have taken it. Had a Citarail engine on the back, which is pretty cool. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Happy National Train Day. Goodbye.